welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to see you all here. I hope you guys are doing lovely. If you're new to this channel, then hi, my name is Richa. You should definitely watch this video first and then come to this one, because in this video you will get to know me better. Alright, so today's video is about 5 things that you should always remember in your life. These 5 things are very important for your journey of self-growth and self-love, because these 5 things have helped me a lot in my journey, and I thought that I should definitely share with you guys, because I feel like that these 5 things, if you remember all your life, will definitely impact your life in a much better way. So please make sure that you stick till the end of the video to watch all the 5 things that I will recommend in this video. Alright, so let's not waste much time and let's get started. So the number one thing that you should always remember in your life is always remember your value. You should always remember how worthy you are, because if you are not aware of what you truly deserve in your life, then people will treat you how you treat yourself. And if you are treating yourself badly, then of course people will mistreat you even more. So you should always remember how worthy and hardworking and capable you truly are, because you are special, you are valuable. Make sure you never forget about your standards. Don't lose your self-respect for anyone. And if you have lost your self-respect at any point of the way, you can begin to work on building that self-respect again. You should take charge of your life in your own hands, and you should never forget how valuable you are. Number 2, you are either growing in your life or you're declining in your life every single day. It is okay to take breaks, it is okay to take mental health days off, but don't stop being consistent over a period of time. Don't think that you don't need to work at all and whatever you have earned in your life will always remain with you. Life doesn't work that way. You have to keep working on your goals if you want your success to remain forever. You can learn so many things from YouTube videos, podcasts, books, and online courses, and so many other sources. So start investing in yourself, develop yourself, and take action on whatever you have learned from these sources. Don't wait and sit around for everything to happen for you. Life is not about perfection. Life is about improving yourself every single day. Number 3, focus on improving your health. You cannot expect to live mindlessly and having every good thing come into your life. You have to work on yourself. It is very important to have a healthy mind, body, and soul. We feel absolutely fantastic when our bodies are working great, when we are healthy mentally as well as physically. So work out every day, eat your greens, do positive affirmations in front of your mirror. Work towards creating a healthy mindset and healthy lifestyle for yourself. It is so very difficult to stay in an unhealthy body and a rotten mind. Number 4, have faith in yourself and believe in miracles. It is so very easy to lose faith in ourselves when something's not working out in our lives. We fear so much of failure in our life that if we won't work hard and if we don't succeed, then all of this will be a waste of time. And so we lose the faith in ourselves and we stop doing what we need to do in order to finally succeed in our lives. So I would just say that go all out and give your 100% and don't fear the failure. We all don't know what will happen in the future, so there's no point in doubting yourself. You need to have faith in yourself. A very close friend of mine said to me that keep doing your work and don't stress about the outcomes. You don't need to focus on the results. You need to first create that change. You need to put out that value in your life, and then you will see the results, right? So don't start doubting yourself for anything. And finally, the 5th thing that you need to always remember is that you can start from today. Yes, your negative mind will keep feeding you with innumerable excuses of why you can't do something today. Of course, it is what our negative mind is conditioned to do, but I would just tell you this, that stop dreading the outcome. Okay, begin by taking small steps. Take one day at a time. Don't focus on the whole staircase. You should only focus on one step at a time. You will see that when you forget about, all the results and, getting successful faster, and when you forget about all those things that give you anxiety, you will see that when you completely immerse yourself in the process and you start enjoying the process and you take one day at a time, you become better 1% each and every day. That's what should be the goal for you. So always remember that you should not focus on what is going to be in your future. You should focus on this particular day. This is the day in which you can control your life, and so seize this day, seize this moment, and focus on this day and how you can start today. Right, this is it for the video, guys. I hope you liked this video, and please comment down below which was your favorite reminder out of all these 5 things, and I would just love to read your comments, and I would love to know which tip helped you the most. And also I would just tell you all that these 5 things have really helped me in these past few months, and I'm really enjoying the process of everything that is coming for me, and I'm only looking forward in my life, and I hope you do too after watching this video. You're never too late to begin this journey of self-love and growth. So if you like this video, I'm sure you did, so please do subscribe to this channel so you can see more of such videos from me, and you can also follow me on my Instagram and other social media handles, and you can press the bell icon below so that you can get notified for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye.